Today I will show you the Donner MAMP6 stereo amplifier with 6 channels, supporting up to 12 speakers. It's an ideal amplifier for a large house or business where you need many speakers for background music and a microphone for karaoke or public announcements. The amplifier supports multiple audio inputs, FM radio, Bluetooth, RCA inputs, optical Toslink, and USB flash drives up to 64 gigabytes. It also comes with a remote control for easier operation. All 12 speaker levels can be adjusted with 6 dedicated volume controls and 1 main control. Next time, I'll connect the speakers and do a sound and bass test for this amplifier, but for now, let's start with the full unboxing.